Hey guys, welcome to another video. Thanks so much for watching. So in today's video I am doing a cook and clean with me, and I will also be sharing with you guys a very easy and delicious dinner idea. I wanted to start on my dinner before I started cooking, so I went ahead and I started to prep for my meatballs. Here I was just cutting up my onion that I was going to use in the sauce. This recipe is like a creamy sauce, so it's definitely delicious. I also wanted to cut up my mushrooms that I was going to include in my green beans, which were amazing. I found a recipe on Pinterest. Pinterest is one place that I go to for a lot of my recipes when I want to try something new. But once I was done cutting up everything, I went ahead and I put on my rice that I just wanted to go ahead and cook while I was cutting up everything. The first place I wanted to start cleaning was my entryway. This place clutters so fast, so often. So we have a bench where my children just dump everything there. They take all their jackets and they just leave it on there. Shoes are just everywhere. So, and it's winter time, so there's a lot of mud coming in and snow and whatnot. We don't have snow right now, thank God, but we do collect a lot of mud at the entryway. I usually put a towel at the door so that we can wipe our feet there when our shoes are wet. So here I'm just putting away all the shoes that we had collected over time. I love my mini Scentsy warmer. I always turn it on and change the wax every how many days. I sometimes leave it on to run overnight, so I like to change my waxes often because I allow them to go for so long. But I just feel like it makes my entryway smell so good when we're coming in. And so that is one thing that I love having on my entryway. If you're ever interested in Scentsy, I do have a website. I will link it down below so you can go ahead and see what they sell on Scentsy. I also have an Instagram account. It's Aliane for Scentsy. The number 4. I'm gonna also put it down so you guys can go ahead and follow me on there and see all about my Scentsy journey. I was bouncing back and forth in this video between cooking and cleaning, so here I was back in the kitchen working on the meatballs. I don't have a specific recipe for my meatballs. I literally eyeball everything. It's how I make my meatballs all the time. But again, if you want a good recipe, YouTube or Pinterest will always have easy and simple recipes. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. For much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. This dinner was so good. We ate everything. It was the first time we honestly cleaned up everything. It was just so good. The meatballs were so amazing. I used heavy cream and some chicken broth in the sauce, and it was just so delicious. And these green beans, you guys, oh my gosh, my children love them. I had to make them a little softer because the kids enjoy eating them, but when it's for just me and my husband, I like a little crunch to them, but regardless, they turned out so good. It was my first time adding in mushrooms, and I think it's my new favorite. So after dinner was cooked, it was a little bit early to eat, so I took advantage of this time to do my vacuuming, because once the kids were in bed, I knew I could not be vacuuming. I will have to sweep everything, and I think I've mentioned this before, I honestly prefer vacuuming my floors. So here I was just vacuuming my entryway so I could go ahead and also mop it. After dinner, my husband was taking care of bath time and bedtime, so I could go ahead and finish filming my cleaning. And here I was starting in the dining room. I'm not sure if you can notice in the corner there, my plant is dead. I think my green thumb is just not there anymore, but my plants are completely dying on me, and I don't know if I want to buy any more plants, but that was just a side note. So I just wanted to go ahead and get this dining table cleaned up and get the whole room cleaned before I moved on to the kitchen and started on the dishes.
Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah.
I have a question for you guys. Are you the type of person who likes to clean right after you eat? Or do you like to take a few moments to yourself after dinner and sit down and just be lazy for a bit and then tackle the dishes? I'm just so curious. So leave me a comment down below and let me know. I like to go ahead and clean everything right after dinner, because I feel like once I sit down, I am a done deal. Like, I will not be getting up. I feel so lazy. So after I eat, I usually like to just go ahead and get everything all cleaned off so that when the kids are in bed, I have some me time.
I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just in my mind.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. On a higher level. We got this.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down to fly one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
So the floors were the last thing on my to-do list, and I just wanted to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and watching me cook and clean. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are new and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so before you leave, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future uploads. And if you are not new and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. I really appreciate the support, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.